talk about how can you disable autoplay on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it. When you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, come here to autoplay, just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean autoplay, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching.